Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. NASCAR.
Ah, did I tell you? Nag-vodka?
Yes. Have you subscribed to my channel yet?
Nice.
I have a YouTube channel. Hi guys, I'm now using the Osmo DJI.
I could have saved. Could be like a meal.
Hi Vlog Squad.
Vlog squad, since when are we here? Vlog?
Did it?
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go.
Hello guys, right now this is another sample video of the Osmo Action. So obviously I'm walking. So I'm testing the rock steady option of this camera, and I'm just like an arm's length from the action camera.
Then you know I'm gon' feed 'em. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling.
That's
I
how
could
you
tear
do
you apart or I could go heal 'em. Don't believe it.
Then Was it yesterday? I did arms yesterday.
Wow.
Do your squat.
Stretch those.
How many laps did you do?
6.
6.
2 straight, Usaka walk, 2 straight, Usaka walk, 2 straight, Usaka walk.
How many laps did you do? You did 8?
Not 8.
Oh, the shot.
8 laps.
8 laps.
That's like 2 miles, Nicole.
How many straight laps can you do? No, like, say 2 or 1
It's dark.
And then
Ikaw rin maklaro.
I have to do squats too.
I won't do it in front of the camera.
It's to hold you accountable.
I'm not accountable of anything.
I want you to try jumping this one. This step.
No way, bro.
Just try.
No way, bro. Are you gonna pay for my coffee?
Try like
I
your
should get something in return. I can jump this now.
with proper squat.
Without this.
Without
filming. It has like more power sa iyang health.
Doesn't matter.
Do you see how hard you have to squat and then jump?
Squat, yeah. You have to land on your heels more.
Yeah, squat.
Yeah, like that.
Another one.
You have to control your going down. Yeah.
I can't. Do you see how?
Excuses.
Do you see how I don't have any calcium on my body?
What do you mean? You don't have any calcium.
I need milk.
You need some milk.
I need
Oh.
corn.
I think it turned off.
Yeah, it's so
No,
funny.
it's still on. Battery saving mode. You just need to tap it.
You can do it. You're just psyching yourself out. Pinakamaklik.
Dark na siya. Sige, sakto yung form.
Siya,
See daw, sample daw. This is how you would do the proper
Jump squat.
jump squat.
You have to do it.
They have
I
they
can't
have
even jump.
they have a song for that.
What is that?
Jump shot.
What? Jump shot.
Amazing.
That's when you know you have the power of calm.
That's when you know that even if I'm shorter than you, you can still do it.